Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I will talk about what is web hosting. Web hosting explained for beginners. So let's start. What is web hosting? Web hosting explained for beginners. Web hosting is an online service that makes your website content accessible on the internet. When you purchase a hosting plan, you are renting space on a physical server to store all the website's files and data. WebHost provides the hosting technology and resources required for the effective and secure operation of your website. They are responsible for keeping the server up and running, implementing security measures, and ensuring that data such as text, photos, and other files are transferred successfully to the visitor's browsers. In this article, you will learn what web hosting is, how it works, and what are the different types of web hosting available. Web hosting is an online server that enables you to publish your website or web application on the internet. When you sign up for a web hosting service, you basically rent some space on a physical server where you can store all the files and data necessary for your website to work properly. That's it. Hopefully you all understand it. So please subscribe our YouTube channel.